if you want a big jump and go to 0.2 to 2.24.
Oh yeah. Yeah, let's do this.
Oh wait, isn't there 3.03?
What's the lowest you can find from here, like to the bottom? What do you think the lowest you can?
It's a big jump in days.
It is different. More like that.
Okay, so tell me about who's doing point 1? Okay, Jack, why did your group choose this first point? Let Jack speak, please.
It's a huge difference between October 1st and October 3rd. No,
So you saw a huge difference in temperature here? Was there anything else that made you think that there's a difference here? The rain amount. Okay. So tell me about point 3. Why did you all pick point 3? Who picked point 3? Okay, so what can you tell me about point 3? Okay, so what do you mean huge drop? So the temperature lowered significantly. Okay, noise level, whisper voices please, whisper voices. Okay, why is point 2? Why did you guys pick that?
because there's a big difference between October 3rd and October 8th.
Okay, but when I look at these guys, everybody take a look at these 3 data points. October 3rd is right in the middle of 2 other temperatures. So what does that tell you about the temperature on October 3rd compared with the 2nd and the 4th? Victoria, does it look like the temperature is changing significantly? Not really. So this point might be a good one, Jack, do you think, for comparison? Okay. So here's your next task. Whoever's doing point 1, go ahead and log in point 1, then shuffle the paper to point 2, point 3. If you're not writing, make sure you're helping each other out with the clouds and the air pressure by checking your notes. Good job, guys.
Wait, do you do it
Right, you're writing it under that box.
Is it that one that we're gonna highlight? Yeah, I got it. I guess 60 or 56. I haven't said that.
Yeah, I'll just quickly go over it.
Okay, so who's doing October 8th? Who decided that one?
I guess but one of us will have to work together. But 2 of us, like most of us, want to work solo.
Okay, so what you need to do, here's your paper, and then black will cover this up, David, so I wouldn't use black to highlight. Okay, well then just use maybe yellow again that way, or you could use pink again, it doesn't matter.
How about we do it combined?
Ladies and gentlemen, it's getting loud.
Colors together.
Okay, so October 8th, so who's going to do October 1st?
I'll do it.
And so how would you plot that on your point?
Find it, and that's like right here. No, yeah, most of our sheets had like 20% rainfall and stuff.
So why was that kind of funny?
I don't know, like 20
So then go ahead and make the point and label it number 1. And then shuffle your paper.
One. Rainamak was 0. What about this Okay. Meter of 0. 0.
So Natalia's writing cirrus clouds. Why would she be writing cirrus clouds if the temperature is 88 and the precipitation is 0? Okay. So good weather, meaning the air temperature's warm. There's no rain. Sean, what do you think about that?
I agree.
Why?
Because it's usually nice weather, sometimes usually warm.
Okay. So what cloud do you associate on your sheet with fair weather, warm temperatures?
I think it is high weather.
Cirrus, good. Cameron, what did you just say about the air pressure?
I think it's high weather.
High pressure or high weather?
High pressure.
High pressure. Loud, it's getting loud. Whisper voices. Okay, what do you think about that, Sean?
I agree because high pressure because there's no rain enough.
Okay. So if the air pressure is higher and the barometer reads a high temperature, what kind of weather can we expect with that? What does your sheet over here tell you? So light winds. So possibly there could be light winds. What else? What other kind of weather is associated with a high pressure system? What do you mean by multiple things, Cameron? High winds or low winds? Well, if we have high winds, doesn't that mean it's like a storm?
Low.
So low winds, high pressure means low winds, so it's kind of that reverse, isn't it? And what do you think of that? Why?
Because usually when it's high pressure, it's close to the weather.
Okay. Good. Good. So go ahead and plug that in, and then pass it on to who's doing point 2. Okay, so it's going to shuffle off to Cameron. Be prepared, Cameron, when you get your paper that you're going to plug in temperature. Sean, what you might want to do is take a look here. Natalia, go ahead and fill in your high pressure. And then check with the classmates if you are. Thank you. Makayla, have a seat, please. So if you're at point 2, Sean, take a look at what the temperature looks like, what the precipitation is, and see if you can make sense of what the clouds are with the pressure system so that when Cameron's ready to go, you can help him with some information. Good job, guys. Good thing.
Someone just go right through stratus. So I think it would either be very loud. It says it can be loud, but it can create precipitation for a short time.
It can. That's kind of like a 50-50 chance.
I know, but it could be a little nimbus.
That's all thunderstorms.
Yeah, it could be all nimbus. I don't think it's true.
I would say cumulus because it has a 50% chance. So that doesn't mean it's gonna make it rain, and it kind of covers the sun because it would go right through stratus.
It would be like, yeah, either one. There's all those little light clouds. The sun would go like right through. And if it's that cool, then it's sunlight.
So what are you trying to decide again, guys, about your clouds?
Yeah, because if they're like those light ones, like the sun would
Cirrus
go,
clouds?
yeah, they'll go like right through it. But if it's that cold, there couldn't be a lot of sunlight. So.
Okay, so you're saying that the amount of clouds, it kind of affects the way our temperatures are? Okay. So what kind of clouds are you thinking of writing down? You guys are awesome. Why cumulus?
Like actually cover it and yellow sometimes red thunderstorms. Not all.
Okay, so we know there isn't any rain, so it can't be a cumulonimbus. Because those, what is associated with a cumulonimbus? Thunderstorms.
Can't be stratus.
Why couldn't it be stratus? It's getting loud, ladies and gentlemen.
It has to be stratus because they give that rainbow. Yeah. Because that would have been a drizzle.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's go. This is yours.
Look at your weather information. For your team, 3 points on the graph. Do you have enough information to say has passed? Explain why or why not.
Explain why not.
Okay. So get out your Well, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna look at this. When it's like a one, I thought it should be lower. No. Oh, we need the graph. Where's the graph? Which one? The good one. Here, it's right here. It would be fun because it has. Yeah.
No, because
Cold. Oh, this one. I don't have that sheet. It's right here. Oh, yeah. Actually, no. So, a cold front, kids, what's the information? Generation. It has heavy rain, or snow, and generation, cumulus clouds. So, it gets some thunderstorms. Right. Let's see. 65 meters. And then the one has a satellite rain. Oh, where is it? Oh, it's right here. It's right. Heavy rain, snow, and cumulus clouds. Okay, but so I had cumulus or stratus, but you didn't have it. No, so it would be stratus. You didn't have a stratus. So it's cold. It's probably a one. Yeah. So let's steady or light rain. Seriously. And it has a steady rain. Well, that one has like it's closer. So it would be it's just closer.
Well, what on here makes you think it's moist out? So that's almost 0. There's hardly any rain falling.
Well, I don't think it's like moist.
Maybe
Like
hot humid or
well, the temperature, air temperature is 65. Is that considered hot air temperature?
Well, when you get up to 70, that's more
Noise level, please, loud.
it's more of the hotter air temperature when you get past 70.
Okay.
I'd say it's kind of in the middle.
Cumulus says it can create precipitation for a short time. It's not a lot. It's probably not really tightly packed that much, but it makes a little.
So you could have cumulus clouds here because you do have some
Or maybe it should be
precipitation.
cirrus.
Or cirrus? Why do you think cirrus?
Because it's not a lot of rain, but every cloud could probably produce a little bit of rain there. Yeah, but they said that
Finish.
it's not serious. I just thought it out.
Okay, so cirrus aren't the rain-making clouds that we think of.
Yeah, but it just they did. It would turn into rain.
Okay. Michaela, what can you add to that?
They're just the reason why they can't really make precipitation is because they're too light. They're too fluffy, and they don't have enough raindrops to actually create bigger ones.
So what was that? What has to happen in the cloud in order for the rain to fall out?
It has to be big enough to hold enough water to be able to make rain.
To make it fall out?
Water droplets in the air. Water vapor, if you get enough, it'll create water droplets for it to rain. So I'm guessing that that's not really one to collect water.
Okay. Okay, so we can definitely rule out the cirrus. Could it be stratus clouds?
They produce too much.
What do you mean they produce too much?
For this kind of weather here. If you read this thing here, it makes rain drizzle, snow, or can stay